In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Mline command in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to draw multiple parallel lines at once, for example, to represent walls in a floor plan or lanes in a roadway, the Mline command is designed to do exactly that. It creates a single object made up of several parallel lines, so it's faster, cleaner, and easier to edit than drawing and managing separate lines. Let's begin by starting the command. In the command line, type Mline, or the shorter ML, and press Enter. That launches the tool, and before you pick any points, take a quick look at the options shown on the command line. This is where you set up how your multilines will behave, and it's best to do it now, before your first click. First, choose the justification by typing J and pressing Enter. You will see options for top, 0, and bottom. Justification controls where the set of lines is placed in relation to your cursor path. 0 means the lines are centered on the path you draw. Top places the set so the topmost line sits on your path, while bottom places the lowest line on your path. Picking the right justification helps you align edges accurately without extra offsets later. Next, set the scale by typing S and pressing Enter. Scale defines the overall width between the outer multilines. A larger scale spreads the lines farther apart. A smaller scale brings them closer together. Think of this as the thickness of what you are representing, such as a wall thickness. If you are unsure, start with the default and adjust as needed. Then, choose a style by typing ST and pressing Enter. Styles are predefined setups that control how many lines are drawn and what linotypes or offsets they use. The default style, called Standard, typically gives you 2 parallel lines. If other styles are available in your drawing, you can pick one that matches your drafting standards. With those settings in place, you are ready to draw. Click in the drawing area to set your starting point. Move your cursor to define direction and click again for each subsequent point. The multilines update in real time according to your justification and scale. For straighter segments, you may find it helpful to use ortho or relevant object snaps, but that's optional. When you are finished, press Enter to end the command. If you want to connect the last point back to the first and form a closed shape, type C for close and press Enter. That neatly completes the loop in one step. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.